Get off.
1033.
We just saw the tasing, but the chaos didn't stop there. This suspect, wanted for grand theft auto, immediately fought back, screaming, "I'm not resisting," while physically struggling. But the situation truly became dangerous when a bystander interfered, and the suspect allegedly tried to grab the deputy's body camera, a felony act. Tonight, we dissect this catastrophic failure of compliance and the legal implications of assaulting an officer's gear. This is the active resistance playbook, and it failed spectacularly.
I'm not resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Get on the ground. You're gonna get.
I'm not resisting.
Stop pushing up.
I'm not.
Stop. Stop.
I can't breathe.
You're gonna get tased again. Get your
I can't breathe.
Put your arm behind your back.
I'm trying to. Y'all fucking.
No, you're not. Get back. Get back.
The moment the taser incapacitated the suspect, the fight-or-flight response kicked in. Despite repeated commands to stop resisting and put your arm behind your back, the suspect repeatedly yells, "I'm not resisting," while physically pushing and struggling. The legal system doesn't care what you say if your body is actively defying commands. In Florida, resisting an officer with violence, Section 843.01, is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison. Active physical defiance, pushing off, twisting away, or tenting off, as the deputy describes it, provides the necessary physical element to upgrade the charge from a misdemeanor to a felony. The deputy's persistence here is crucial. They must gain control to mitigate the risk of injury to all parties. Now the situation dangerously escalates. We hear the suspect shouting for his babe to call his mom, and then an unknown third party, presumably a homeowner or associate, begins verbally confronting the deputy, yelling, "Get the F out my yard."
Babe, call my mom.
Quit tensing up.
I'm not tensing up.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
All right, it's hooked. It's hooked.
Call mom, babe.
Take the blood.
Get the fuck out my yard. Fuck.
What are you doing, sir? He's not even trying to do nothing, man.
This is a critical tactical threat. When a third party interferes, the deputy's attention and force requirement immediately divide between the actively resisting suspect and the new threat. The deputy must give clear commands, like, "Hey, get back." But if the third party crosses the line of interference, physically or by obstructing the arrest, they risk being charged with obstruction as well. This puts immense psychological and physical strain on the arresting officer.
Can you please stop? Can you please stop, sir? Can I talk to my people?
Get inside.
Can I talk to my people?
Get in the car.
Sir, can I talk to my people?
Get that fucking break. Get that goddamn break. Will you get that break?
Get the fuck out my yard. Fuck.
What are you doing, sir? He's not even trying to do nothing, man.
Bro, you're some real fucking piece of shit. This is my fucking yard. Babe, how many fucking times did I tell you let's fucking go?
As the suspect is being moved or dealt with, the confrontation peaks. We hear the deputy say, "Sir, I told you to stay back." You grab the body camera and start taking off. "I don't have your body camera, man. I got it from you."
Man, I can get a fucking sit in our yard. What you mean? This is my yard, sir. I ain't putting nothing down.
Don't touch anything. Put it down.
Put it down.
This is my yard, sir. Put it down.
Put nothing down.
You fix it.
Will you put me down for a fucking stand off me, boy?
Stop.
What's wrong with you?
Stop.
Do it.
Get out of my yard. Get out of my fucking yard. Now, get the fuck out of my yard.
This is a massive legal inflection point. Attempting to destroy, tamper with, or grab a law enforcement body camera is often treated as an aggravated felony offense, similar to battery on a law enforcement officer, because it aims to destroy crucial evidence and undermine the integrity of the justice system. The deputy explicitly stating, "I got it from you," and "it's on camera," confirms that the assault itself was likely recorded. providing irrefutable evidence for yet another serious charge.
Stop. Stop.
I am, sir, but what are you doing to me, man? For no reason,
No,
sir.
I told you to stay back. You grabbed the
No.
body camera and started
I
taking
know, I
off.
don't even have your body camera,
No,
man.
I got it from you after
I
I
know,
told
I
you to
got the
stop.
phone. I picked up the phone, sir.
Stop.
I can get your
Stop. Stop.
All right, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Stop.
All right.
All of this is for nothing.
Now
Now you're going to cop a charge.
Well, I'm gonna get a charge for I didn't even
For
do
theft.
nothing.
You got any weapons
Look
on
at
you?
you, man. What the fuck?
You got any weapons on you?
Just back up.
Bud,
Up.
you got any weapons on you?
No, man.
The entire incident, which began as an arrest for grand theft auto, a felony, has now ballooned into a stack of serious charges due entirely to the suspect's choices. 1. Grand theft of a motor vehicle, felony. 2. Fleeing and eluding, felony due to reckless operation. 3. Resisting arrest with violence, section 843.01, felony due to physical resistance. 4. Tampering, assault on a law enforcement officer, sought equipment, felony due to the alleged camera grab. The suspect lamented, "All of this is for nothing." He's right. Compliance at the initial stop would have resulted in only the theft charge. His choice to resist and escalate, tensing, pushing, and attacking the camera transformed a single charge into a serious, multi-felony case. The evidence is overwhelming, and the lesson is clear. Resistance is always futile, and it always compounds your legal jeopardy. We want to hear your thoughts on the chaotic nature of this arrest. Did the deputy handle the interference correctly? Let us know in the comments. If you appreciate this deep dive into police tactics and the legal consequences of non-compliance, do me a favor. Hit the like button and subscribe. We analyze videos like this every week to educate you on the legal standards that govern law enforcement.